This is how we can lower the ringer volume on the iPhone. There are two ways how we can do this. The first one is when you go to these settings like this, and on the main page, you scroll just a little bit and find the sounds and haptics. And in there, literally the first or second thing from the top is the ringtone and alert slider, right? So for example, if you go to the ringtone and select one thing, right, you can see that when I raise the volume, it will be like preview to me. So this is how we can control the ringer volume. So if it's at too high, more to the right side, you can lower it down toward the left, and then that's how you can control it. But the second approach is when you enable the toggle below, which says change with buttons. And once you enable it and return back to the home screen, the physical buttons, which are on the side of like every iPhone, you know, the volume switch, right? Those now can be used to control the ringer volume, right? So if I click on the volume down button, you can see that we are controlling the ringer volume instead of the actual content volume. With this toggle disabled, the phone controls the ringer the media volume in there, and when you have the toggle enabled, you can use the buttons to control the ringer volume. So that's essentially everything I wanted to explain. Let me know what you think below. Definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.